Boone, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Let's give everybody a minute to join us. I already we are waiting, giving people a couple of minutes to join us.
All right. Okay. Morning, guys. Hopefully the weather is not as crappy as it is over here in Portland, where you guys live. Both of you are in the Bay Area, is that correct? I didn't get that. I think your microphone didn't come up. Hey.
I'm from Penang.
Yeah,
you are from Penang, Malaysia. You are from Penang?
Yeah.
Oh Lord, it's like 1 a.m. right now.
Yeah.
All right.
yeah.
Very,
Yeah. In the Bay Area is a little bit rainy, gloomy and rainy, but
yeah.
that's okay. We welcome any rain.
Okay.
You know, we have two seasons over here. One season rains, the other season doesn't rain. So from May to October usually doesn't rain, and then from October to May it rains sometimes.
Sometimes.
All
All right.
Some years it rains a lot, some years it rains just a tiny bit. So
yeah,
that's my weather update. So okay, I think we should get started. I think we're gonna have probably a very short meeting. Really, what I was looking. What we wanted to do today is continue the discussion on the test pin attributes, and for that we need Bala. Let me just quickly share where we were last time. Okay. Let me share my screen. Let's see, waiting for Google to open this. is working. Sorry guys, give me a minute. Google doesn't want to do what it needs to do, so yeah, here we go. So we covered these two tables, right? Last time we covered this table, basically the additional waveforms on pins and things like that. And now we have 3 more tables to cover. I don't know if you guys want to discuss a little bit about this, or we should just wait next time when we have time and Bala is able to join us, so that we can cover the rest of the required attributes. Well, how do you guys want to proceed here? Do you feel we have enough quorum to discuss test attributes?
I don't think so.
Okay,
I don't think so, because Bala is, I think, the main thing.
yeah.
I mean, we can just discuss, but finally to go and get concrete till he's here.
Right. Yeah. I think looking at the tables, the last table is probably the most straightforward, right? Because we have IO standards are already defined, right? In terms of naming. So it's just a matter of adding a property on each pin to tell us with what kind of IO it is. And that's about it. I think it's straightforward. But I agree with Rajesh that the others are a little bit, need a little bit more explanation, what we are doing. So yeah, we definitely do need Bala. Now, actually, probably a quick logistic check. Let's see. So the Global Summit is going to be happening this year, the week of October the 13th. So that means, I guess exactly 2 weeks from now, we won't be able to talk about tests. That's okay. We'll talk the time after that. So I will cancel the meeting for the October 16th. That is coming up, right? Because we're going to be at the Global Summit. Do any of you plan to swing by the Global Summit?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Okay. So you have my email. I'm not sure if you have my phone number. We can catch up. You'll see me around the Innovation Village. I'll make sure you stop by.
Okay, I definitely plan on stopping by. And actually, yeah, I was thinking you guys have ad hoc meeting or so or stuff like that I can sit in and stuff like that. But if you don't, that's fine. I will definitely stop by the village.
Yeah, I don't have
Go
ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, Rajesh.
Yeah, I'll be there too, but only for on Thursday, I guess.
On the Thursday. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a good head count. Actually, a good idea about who is going to be joining at the Global Summit. I know. Okay, now I know the 2 of you will join. So we can just figure something out on the fly, and meet up when we have time and see who else is around.
I think everybody will be busy in conference.
Yeah.
Attending the sessions, Innovation Village. So, it's okay to postpone this.
Yeah, I think so too. So, okay. Then I'll see both of you at the conference, and we'll just chat and figure out what else we can do.
So yeah, I posted my phone number and email in the chat window here. In case you at least I don't think you have my phone number, but I posted in the for the email. I'm pretty sure you have it, but just in case it is needed for communication or whatever.
Okay. Yeah, I took a quick snapshot of this. I have it. I'll text you in a moment, so you have my phone number as well.
Okay,
and we'll just figure something on the fly. I'll probably be there. Actually, I have to be there for the all the exhibit hours at the on the exhibit floor to man the Innovation Village station that we have.
Okay.
So I haven't even looked at what sessions are there. Actually, I have a quick talk as well. That should be interesting. And yeah, please make sure you attend my session.
All right. Well, you will have at least one person in the audience. When is it?
Yeah.
When
Yeah,
is it?
please.
What's the timing? What's the when in what time?
Yeah, last time when I was presenting the boring stuff about chiplet implementation, immediately everybody left the room. So,
So David, when is your presentation? On Thursday?
I'm supposed to know that.
Okay, let me tell you why I'm asking, David. My talk, I'm presenting our test workstream, but I was asked to present because I think Mike cannot travel from England.
Okay.
And I'm actually flying out to Washington, D.C. that Thursday evening. So I requested Kate, who is like a conference organizer, to prepone, and even I talked to the session chairs to move it from 3 p.m. to maybe around 12, because then I can go and catch the flight peacefully, without rushing. I cannot miss it. So if you are on the same day, I would like to see your time slot. 16th, because then I can request you to swap it. If it is at 1 o'clock, I'd rather let me know. We can talk offline.
Okay, so mine is Wednesday. Wednesday at 1:35.
Oh no, then forget it. I'm looking for somebody who is on Thursday, 16th.
Okay.
Okay, that sounds good.
Oh man, I was hoping you'll. Okay, anyway, yeah. So I was hoping I'm gonna have at least 2 people in the audience. Now I'm guaranteed only 1. Okay. All right, then. Since we don't have quorum today to discuss tests, and the most important person about tests is not here, I'd say we cut this meeting short. Give you some time back, and I'll see both of you at the Global Summit.
Okay. So yeah, David, last time I think you were supposed to send me an email. I don't think I ever received it.
Okay. Email. I'm sorry. I obviously have forgotten.
You're supposed to email me the link of the document that you're working on for the PD of the chiplet, for the power delivery of the chiplet last time. I gave you my email the last time.
Okay. Okay. Do you have this? This access to this Google Drive folder?
Yeah, that's the thing. I do not know if I do. I do not know if I have the link to that.
Okay. Here is. How about I post it in the chat then?
Post in the chat, and I'll click and see if I have access to it.
Yeah, it should be world readable.
Yes, I do have access to it.
Okay. Yeah. So, and this is the entire CDX folder. The 3DK information. Here's SIPI, and here's the design kit that we have been trying to work on. It has 2 sections. Really, the big focus has been the SIPs, and PI is kind of I guess just a little sad paragraph. That's always captured about PI at this point.
Okay. All right. So, well, in that case, let's chat a little bit. I mean, I don't know where we meet. Maybe we can continue conversation here and see. I mean, we already talked a lot about what we wanted to do and stuff like that, right, for this PI section. But I don't know. Let's have this conversation maybe face to face, and then we can.
Okay.
From there, we can figure out how do we want to structure this paragraph.
Sounds good.
Oh yes, I do have access to that. And then you said it is into the which section?
It's in the 3DK
3DK. Got it. I found it.
and then SIPI.
Got it. Okay, cool. Thanks.
Right now, it's a little bit messy, right? Because we are capturing, this is meeting minutes from discussion and then trying to put this in a table. So it's not,
Yeah, I mean, it's fair. It's a draft.
it's work in progress, very raw at this point.
That's fair.
Hopefully we can, I think we should give it a little bit of push in the last 2-3 months of the year. Just wrap this up and send it out for publishing so that it gets published sometime early next year. Right, we need to at some point wrap this up and publish it, right? We cannot work on this forever and make it perfect.
Okay, so your timeline for wrapping this up is like what, end of this year?
End of the year, yes.
Okay.
Last year we worked a lot through the year, and actually I used the downtime during the holidays just to clean up the specs and send them for publishing. So early this year, I kind of went through the motions with OCP, going and presenting to the various committees to get this published. Right, so I guess something like this would also work great this year. Just get as much as we can by the end of the year. Then during downtime, I'll spend a couple of days clean it up, add some XML tags and structure around this, and get it out for publishing.
All right.
Yeah, that's kind of the overall idea.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah. All right, let's conclude for today. Aurelian and Rajesh, I'll see you at the Global Summit. Boone, I'm sorry, I'll miss you. I won't be able to see you at the Global Summit, but maybe some other time. If I have travel to Malaysia or if you travel to Bay Area, we can meet up. Next week, we'll try to tackle SIPI. So Aurelian, if you have some ideas about PI, we can discuss PI also next week. Kind of spend a little bit of time on that. Right, and talk about what we want to capture, how we want to capture it, right? What is important, what is not.
All right, that works.
All right.
Okay, thank you guys. Bye.
Okay, everyone. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Take care.
Bye.